So we have this interesting question from geometry. Here we are given a rectangle whose length is 11 and width is 7. And we need to find the distance between the center of these two circles which is fitting inside this rectangle. Now as we can see that these two circles are exactly equal to each other. Yes, these two circles are equal to each other. Now to start with this question, first we need to find the radius of this circle. How we can find the radius? See, if we draw the diameter, if we draw the diameter like this, you will find that this diameter is tangential to the sides of the rectangle. This is tangential. Tangential means this will be 90 degree. 90 degree. 90 degree means this is like the width of the rectangle. Yes, this becomes a rectangle kind of thing, a small rectangle. So here the width is 7. So that's why this diameter will also be 7. Now if the diameter is 7, the radius will turn out to be 3.5. The radius will turn out to be 3.5. Correct. Now if radius is 3.5, how we can find the distance between these two centers? Let's see. For that we can extend this radius. Not extend, we can draw this radius 3.5 and we can draw this radius as well 3.5. Now the length of the rectangle is 11. The length of the rectangle is 11. So what we can do? We can subtract this 3.5 and this 3.5 from 11. We can subtract two radius, this one and this one, from this uh, length of the rectangle to find the distance between the two centers. Or you can say that 11 is nothing but 3.5, that is radius of one circle, plus question mark, the distance between the centers of the two circles, plus 3.5. Correct? So that means this distance between the centers will turn out to be 4. This will turn out to be 4. This question mark, the distance between the centers will be 11 minus 7, which is equals to 4. This will be our final answer. Yes, the distance between the centers of the two circles is 4.